As the weather gets nicer, we're drawn to our gardens, excited about taking care of them. Now technology and gardening have come together, giving us lots of cool gadgets that make gardening easier and more fun. All of these smart and robotic gadgets are now changing how we look after our gardens. So let's get started. 1. Chili pulver watering sensor. In the hustle of daily life, tending to indoor plants might slip one's mind. The chili pulver watering sensor from IKEA acts as a vigilant reminder, monitoring plant hydration levels. Placed within indoor plant pots, it flashes a blue light to prompt timely watering, ensuring your beloved greens receive the care they need. 2. Hoselock thermal weeder. This ingenious gadget from Hoselock, the thermal weeder, harnesses the power of thermal shock to eliminate weeds without resorting to chemicals. Its precise design targets weeds directly, obliterating plant cells in seconds. In addition to weed control, it offers unique function for lighting barbecues, enhancing its utility in outdoor spaces. 3. Twine cutter. Simplicity meets innovation with the twine cutter, a finger-worn gadget featuring a high-carbon steel blade for precise cutting. This unique tool keeps your hands free for other tasks while maintaining ease of use. Its vibrant color ensures easy visibility even in grassy surroundings. 4. Garland Super 7 electric heated propagator. Designed for bulk propagation on windowsills, the Garland Super 7 electric heated propagator caters to gardeners seeking an abundant harvest. Capable of nurturing 7 different plant cells simultaneously, this gadget provides a head start for a variety of plants. 5. Gardena Smart Watering System. The Gardena Smart Watering System introduces an element of automation to garden care by regulating water supply to plants. Offering customizable watering schedules and durations, this gadget can trigger watering up to 6 times a day. Seamlessly integrates with Gardena's micro drip and sprinkler systems for efficient and hassle-free irrigation. 6. Smart Indoor Growing Kit. Innovating indoor gardening. The Smart Indoor Growing Kit empowers you to cultivate fresh herbs and vegetables regardless of outdoor weather conditions. Equipped with LED lights and self-watering capabilities, this kit fosters optimal growth conditions for a selection of pre-seeded plant pods. 7. Melnor Rain Cloud Smart Water Timer. Simplify garden irrigation with this smart gadget. Control watering remotely via a smartphone app, adjusting schedules based on weather conditions. Promotes healthy plant growth and conserves water, making gardening hassle-free and efficient. Stay ahead in garden care with this innovative time-saving tool. 8. Still IMO 422P robotic mower. Automating the often time-consuming chore of lawn maintenance, the Still IMO 422P robotic mower epitomizes the ultimate time-saving gadget for busy gardeners. With a straightforward installation process performed by a local Still dealership, this mower is designed for peace of mind. Intuitive controls and adjustable cutting heights ensure precision, while its quiet and nimble operation promises a meticulously groomed lawn every time. 9. Oak Paper Potter. Embracing eco-friendliness, the Oak Paper Potter offers a sustainable solution for seedling propagation. Craft your own biodegradable seedling pots from recycled newspaper with this solid oak tool. An ideal family activity, it promotes waste reduction while nurturing a sense of environmental stewardship. 10. Bosch ICO Cordless Shape and Edge Set. Achieving perfectly manicured hedges and edges is effortless with the Bosch ICO Cordless Shape and Edge Set. This versatile gadget features interchangeable blades for precise trimming and shaping, while its cordless design enhances maneuverability. A compact and lightweight build ensures comfortable handling, making it an indispensable tool for gardening maintenance. 11. Easy Fill Bag Loader. Gathering garden debris becomes effortless with the Easy Fill Bag Loader, a simple yet ingenious gadget. By transforming a standard bin loader into a standalone container, it facilitates hands-free collection of leaves and prunings. Crafted from durable polypropylene, this tool prevents sharp cuttings from puncturing the bag, making it a reusable and practical addition to your gardening arsenal. 12. Smart Plant Monitor. Unveiling the secrets of your plant's health, the Smart Plant Monitor provides real-time insights into soil conditions, light exposure, and ambient temperature. Paired with a smartphone app, this device offers personalized recommendations for optimal care, catering to novice and seasoned gardeners alike. 13. Swedish Hand Weeder. The Swedish Hand Weeder redefines precision weeding with its ergonomic design that allows single-handed operation. Its stainless steel loops delicately navigate confined spaces, making it suitable for areas where larger tools might cause damage. Rounded edges prevent unintended harm to delicate seedlings. 14. Bergen and Ball Groundbreaker Spade. For gardeners facing compacted soil or challenging terrain, the Bergen and Ball Groundbreaker Spade is a game changer. This innovative spade combines traditional craftsmanship with modern engineering, featuring serrated edges and a footrest for effortless digging. It minimizes strain on your back and arms, making digging tasks more efficient and enjoyable. 15. Fiskars Power Gear Lopper. The Fiskars Power Gear Lopper reimagines the art of pruning with its advanced gear technology. Delivering 3 times the cutting power, this tool effortlessly tackles thick branches and woody growth. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction ensure comfortable handling, making pruning a less strenuous endeavor. These 15 gadgets showcase the blend of human ingenuity and nature's beauty, transforming the way we nurture our gardens. As we conclude, we invite you to connect by liking, sharing, subscribing, and ringing the bell icon. Nurture garden beauty while embracing harmony between modernity and nature. Keep growing!